Freezing cold, snow blizzard, Austrian Alps ski holiday, weather forecast, UK 24, like video, press the sponsor on the right side screen right now, time right, digital at the moment, look, UK time is approximately 9 AM in the morning, in Austrian time it's 10 AM in the morning, and it is December the 22nd, Monday morning guys, in the Alps Austria right now, it's about very freezing cold, snow blizzard right now, it's freezing cold at air, it's minus 12 Celsius, Phone's on the right side of the screen, that is definitely me, I can't put it down because especially neighbours said, Jesus Christ, on Sunday, I try to place to go, this is my phone Sparky, Jim Baby Friday, 3 to 5, 5, 3, sorry, ratio, this is my phone, Shane, live, this is really Friday, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Surrey Hills Station, Shane Friday, on Surrey Hills Station, this is my friend John, last Shapey Sunday at 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. live on the Woking Show, last Shapey Sunday at 9 to 12 p.m. This is 10th Snowstorm, this finish is not 100% today, a little bit better than yesterday. I tried to place the go, but my phone's at the right side of the screen. Please subscribe, shout, sign, shout, smile.